Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add music to Instagram Notes. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right. Tap on your note at the top left. Tap on the music icon at the bottom left. Now search for the song that you want to by tapping on the search box at the top, or simply choose from the list. Tap on the song to play a snippet of the song. Tap on the play or pause button at the very bottom to play or pause the song. Tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right to proceed with the song. Now drag the box to the part which you want to play. After you're satisfied, tap on the tick mark at the top. Then tap on Share. And that is how to add music to Instagram Notes. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.